Who wants to pay for a new roof, new windows, new paint, and new flooring? I don't. Good news, the seller's already done that for you. And not only that, but you've got the trendiest house in the neighborhood.
And location is everything. Here in this prime Mesa location, you're seconds from the freeway, shopping, and just minutes to downtown Gilbert.
Inside, it's open and flowing. The kitchen, dining, and living room are all connected. It just feels good when you walk in.
And hey, a few projects are still left for your own personal touch, but the sellers are offering 1% of the purchase price toward new flooring. Go ahead, make it totally you.
This backyard is huge. You have a walking path all the way around, a patio that runs the full length of the house, and enough room for you to make your own paradise. I know what I would do. What would you do? Location, check.
Upgrades, check.
Freedom to make it yours?
Big check. Get here before someone else does.